This woman. I'm very hungry. Mama Iguana. Bring this food for me.
What is it?
Oh, you haven't come, you not come with anything.
I'm still cooking now.
How many hours, how many years you are cooking? I don't know what you are cooking.
You want me to enter inside the fire?
If that will make the thing fast, enter inside. Well, this woman. Very soon I will swap your position with your second. In bed, though. No, yeah. This woman.
Some food.
I'm not getting interested.
Why?
I'm no longer interested.
But you know today is my turn to cook.
That's why you're delaying me.
And you know it's my turn tonight.
I will swap your position.
You are looking for trouble, right?
Don't worry, I will eat from my second. Hey, hello.
Yes.
What did you prepare?
Am I the one that is supposed to cook for? Is it my turn to cook? Please, I beg you. I only make food for myself.
Yeah, don't worry. Hello. Don't worry. Hello, baby.